Another morning, another page. Time to get going. Oh, water. Doodle doodle do. I said doodle doodle do. Morning, Pencil. It's a lake. There's only one way to explore this. We need a boat.
All aboard the Mya Go tour to see the Loch Press Monster.
Monster? This is the best day of my life.
Oh, aye, people come from all over the world to catch a glimpse of it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And all for the cost of just 5 fish.
Oh, I don't have any fish. But what about a fishing rod?
Well, I suppose it'll do. We'll have to be quick, though. There's a lot of other people wanting my services. But since I'm feeling nice, the pencil goes free.
Safety first. All aboard to see the Loch Press Monster.
Oh, there she is.
That's just a bit of wood.
Look over there.
That's just an incredibly rare and beautiful lobster thing.
What about over there?
That's just some guy. Oh, we still haven't seen anything.
Oh, aye, that'll be the beast from the deep herself.
That's an otter.
An otter? No, is it? Jem, I told you to stay under the water.
Something fishy is going on here, Pencil.